So if I tack it in, we can do the hero stuff. Something like that. Lovely. Yeah, mate. Cheers. So, the outer sill is obviously completely shot, but the floor section, the inner bit, absolutely amazing. This is all original floor, 1968, unmolested, no patches, nothing. Checking, because then you can see. It's high.
There's always tilting out a little bit. Fix you there.
Okay. It looks alright actually, not too bad. So again, I'm thinking, am I wasting my time trying to find all these spot welds along here if I'm actually going to cut it all out anyway? Is it going to be much easier just to get the angle grinder and cut it along there? Because I am going to have to replace that inner sill. It's going to save me a lot of time. Decisions. Actually, I'm going to tell you a little story. My uncle, who is into his fabrication and modifying cars, he once told me that he doesn't bother thinking. He just gets the angle grinder out and cuts it, and then the thinking's done for you. The decision has been made. You've got no choice but to fix it, because he just wants the job done. And sometimes I think he's right.
Does that work?
No?
No. I didn't know whether you had that as ignition and
That might go.
rally car a mile off from a pretty car, can't you? How everything's usable.
Stuff's different from people stuff, isn't it?
Okay, ready when you are.
Ready, Pete? Just remember how hard it is to do car.
Well, that escalated quickly, didn't it? Well, in fact, no, it didn't. This probably took me about 4 days worth of lunch breaks to not, cutting it out was the easy bit. It's trimming off all the extra bits that need doing, so separating all the bits of metal ready for new metal to go in. That's the bit that took the time. This is my Magnum outer sill in a Mark 1, Mark 2 style, and it's a little bit longer than the standard or original one. And originally we were thinking about, just cut it to make it look standard, like it should be. But I'm just wondering, because obviously this is where the outer sill normally came to, and by the time I actually butt weld in the inner sill, this is going to overlap it and kind of protect it, so why not? This is exactly the same size and shape of sill that I installed on the other side. If you want to see the video of me installing the other side, I made a video many years ago. Let me leave a link for you. So my next challenge is to trim the Magnum inner sill to fit. Obviously these are designed to be much longer and that you weld along onto the floor pan. However, there's actually nothing wrong with this steel, so I'm going to have to cut it about here and then butt weld it. So that's going to take a bit of toing and froing with the angle grinder, isn't it?